Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and taking direct action. Remove the negative battery terminal so sensors stay asleep, then prop the car with jack stands if needed. Unbolt the under tray and pop the grill clips first because they free the top edge. Once done, clear the top fasteners moving from the center outward. This evenly releases tension and prevents cracking. Make sure to keep screws organized by position so reinstallation is straightforward, and you won't mix left and right components. Now focus on the complex middle work. Turn the wheels to gain access to wheel arches and remove the inner splash guard fasteners to expose side bolts. Carefully unplug fog lights and any parking sensor connectors, labeling each one so you know where it returns. Use a plastic trim tool to release the side clips. Pry outward along the seam rather than pulling straight back. This prevents broken tabs once the clips give. Support the bumper with a hand so it doesn't drop when the last fasteners are removed. Complete the job by supporting the bumper, then remove the last bolt securing it to the reinforcement beam and wheel wells. Slide the bumper straight off studs while an assistant steadies the other side. Avoid twisting to protect tabs. Inspect mounting tabs, clips, and the reinforcement beam, and transfer any brackets or sensors to the new bumper now. Reinstall in reverse order, making sure connectors are seated and fasteners are torqued. If a fastener refuses to budge, apply heat or penetrating oil and wait a few minutes before trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.